Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of EUR USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis, and you can also check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for if you also trade on other pairs like GBP, USD, Gold USD, GBP, JPY and others. So let's get started. So this is the Forex chart of Euro USD in front of us right now, and as we all know that there is not much movement going on in the market right now. Market is pretty sluggish for the last couple of days. I would like to mention that the market is about to dance again because we have few high impact news coming up, especially the inflation rate. So there will be some good moves today. You can see that remaining time is around 9 hours 25 minutes. So by the time you will be watching the video, the time will be changing. Okay, so keep in touch with the economic calendar. Okay, so at first I would like to talk about the chart of DXY. As I've already discussed in my previous video, that DXY is trading in a very narrow range, tight range right now, and the range is 95.75 on the upside, and we have 95.4030 on the downside. So this is a temporary support for DXY right now, whereas 95.75 is the resistance for the market right now. So this is the range right now. So during the news, okay, after the news, okay, if the data comes out very bad, then obviously DXY will be under pressure. And if DXY breaks the support, then 95.20 will be the next support. If the data is kind of mixed data, then market will try to hold this level here, 95.20. But if the data is very bad, if the inflation rates are very high, then obviously this level 95.20 will not be able to hold the support, and where yes, we will see market crashing. Okay, market may break the level and start going down. So the news will be very important. On the other hand, if the news is good and if we see DXY going up, then at first it will have to cross 95.75. If the news is good, there should not be any problem. But yes, as I have already discussed in my previous videos, that there are multiple resistances of DXY. So the first resistance will be at 96 level, around the 200 period moving average, and then we have another resistance at 96.20. So the news will be very important because right now DXY is trading the range. To take out DXY outside the box, okay, the news will be very crucial. Let's wait and watch how the news reacts and how the news comes out mainly. Sorry. And let's talk about Euro USD here. As we all know, things have not changed at all. We still have 1.1480 at the top as the resistance, and at the downside we have 1.1400. This is the range of Euro USD right now, 1.1480 on the upside and 1.1400 on the downside. So if we see heavy buying on DXY today, if we see market going up, DXY going up, then there is a possibility that Euro USD will not be able to hold the support and start going down. And if it breaks this particular support level 1.1400, there may be some heavy selling on Euro USD and we can take a sell position. Okay. On the other hand, if market starts going up, if Euro USD starts going up, then also you can take a buy position. Okay, buy position. That's your personal call. Okay, but I think that there may be some kind of selling pressure or resistance at 1.1500. Okay, so if you take a buy position here, whatever you want, okay, keep in mind that around this level there will be some selling. Okay, so be careful. And if you see Euro USD making big fat candles, okay, that at that particular point of time, do not take any sell position, because my dear friends, always keep in mind, okay, fundamentals drive the market. Okay, if fundamentally Euro USD becomes very strong at some point of time, then taking a sell position at the resistance will be a very bad decision. Okay, only take a sell position if you see price strong price rejection from above. Okay, so otherwise, as of now, I'll say that we can take a sell position if Euro USD breaks the support and starts going down. And at the top, okay, if the news comes on mixed news, okay, if at the top we can take a sell position if it reverses well. But otherwise, if the news is bad, there will be good buying from any level. And if you want to trade on news, that's your personal decision. I will not comment on that. Okay, so this is the analysis for Euro USD for today. Let's see how the market reacts. Bye bye. Take care.